Warm greetings to one and all. This is the third vlog of ILR, I Love Research. So, I welcome all of you to this episode. Today we are going to discuss about snowball sampling. First of all, we should know what do you mean by snowball sampling. Actually, snowball sampling is a non-probability sampling. So it's a non-probability sampling means what do you mean by non-probability sampling? That is the another question raised here. So we can go to understanding what you mean by probability sampling as well as non-probability sampling. Probability sampling is the sampling technique where all subjects in the population have an equal opportunity to be the part of sample. But in non-probability sampling, it is not the case. The subjects won't get enough chance to or enough opportunity to be part of representative sample or study. That is called non-probability sampling. And as we all know, probability sampling is also called, probability means chance of occurrence. It is also known as random sampling, and non-probability is non-random sampling, and selection is random based, but in arbitrary. In non-probability sampling, it is by arbitrary basis, and probability sampling produces unbiased results, so there won't be any bias. But in non-probability is based on biased, and objective method is probability, subjective is non-probability, and inference is statistical. But here in non-probability it's analytical, and then hypothesis is tested in probability, but hypothesis is generated in non-probability. There are many examples for probability and non-probability sampling. Many examples like simple random sampling comes under probability sampling. In quota or judgmental or convenience sampling comes under non-probability sampling. That we will discuss later. So first of all, we are going to discuss about what do you mean by snowball sampling, but it comes under non-probability sampling. Here we will select one initial group, and the initial group of respondents will select or will refer another group of respondents which is similar to the target population of interest, and here subsequent responses are selected based on reference. We should need to know about what do you mean by snowball, because in the word snowball sampling there is a snowball. So what do you mean by snowball is another important question that we should know. Here the feature of snowball is it will be grown as it is goes around. So that is the feature of snowball. So like this snowball sampling also, the first initial respondents will refer more, and later it will increase by its numbers. So it's similar to snowball. That's why it is called snowball sampling. There is called snowball effect in marketing also. Snowball effect means it is true in business. Getting started is the hardest part of most business. Like a snowball, snowball, it will start, and it should become like a big snowball. That is the core idea of business or marketing technique, anything. So it's a snowball effect is one of the important. It's like a motivational concept also. So this is all about snowball sampling. I hope that all of you would have understood this topic well. Hope we will meet in coming videos. Thank you for listening to me.